Hey folks, we've known for a while that Samsung is going to unveil the Galaxy Watch 7 series at the Unpacked event in July. Details about the new smartwatches. Not much, but as their launches approach, we hear more about them. Besides just hearing about them, we are seeing something about them for the first time. Renders of the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra have leaked from on leaks, which gives us the opportunity to look at the world differently for the first time. A major design update that Samsung will introduce in its next line of smart people watches. These leaked renders show that Samsung is trying to find a golden mean between square and round designs, a synonym for which has become its Galaxy Watch devices. As a result, it turned out to be very similar to traditional Panerai watches. Also, they reminded me of the old Galaxy Watch Gear Sport, if you remember. Like that. They also had a square frame behind the screen, though not as huge, because on besides this, a few more remarks should be made. It seems like there are three in the middle. The third physical button, surrounded by two regular physical buttons, with buttons. Maybe this could open the way to an addition. Functions, especially those related to gaming. Galaxy AI. After all, how else to promote this watch? Also visible are more large speaker grills in addition to a smoother integration of the watch straps with the case, which by the way, we don't know yet. Stainless steel or some other kind of material. Super premium class. The display remains round, measuring 1.5 inches, while the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra measures 437/64 inches. Millimeters. The favorite rotating bezel has been retained. Moreover, the bezel is adorned with 5 markers, minute intervals, which is another design choice that makes them look more alike. Like regular watches, which perhaps causes slightly more concern than the initial reaction of some. What some of you think about this design is the supposed final thickness of 16 chat meters. This is a significant increase compared to the profiles of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and Watch 5 Pro. 10 millimeters thick, 9 and 10. If Samsung does not find good use for this additional size, we will definitely see many potential buyers and change their decision in favor of a thinner and potentially lighter one. Devices. And the battery capacity is not yet available. Information. Moving to the back of the new watch, we see that the health sensors are placed differently than on all previous Galaxy Watch models, which may or may not make a difference on their functionality, accuracy, and beginning. Use blood sugar levels in addition to monitoring temperatures, blood oxygen, blood pressure, falls, and ECG. Earlier reports also stated that the Galaxy Watch Series 7 will feature a new chipset and charge 50% faster than their predecessor. Expect Samsung to unveil the Galaxy Watch Series 7 at the Unpacked event on October 10th. July 7th in Paris. That is in France. Friends, write in the comments your impressions of these watches. Certainly this is something new in the Samsung lineup. Despite the fact that once again I got vibes from the Gear Sport, nevertheless it will be perceived as a completely new model. New design of the Galaxy Watch lineup. Write in the comments what you think about it. Did you like these watches or not? And as always, see you very soon in the next video.